Hello guys and welcome back to FXQ YouTube. Today I will start a new list of videos and this will be the first video involving the list. This will mark the start to the series called Python programming from Hello World to full-scale applications. This will actually be my first time recording a video and I hope you will learn a lot from it. Anyways, let's get back to the actual video. So today, in episode 0, we will talk about why study Python programming in the first place. Yeah, a lot of people have asked, well yeah, sure I could watch your video, but what is so important about Python programming and why should I, as an audience, study it? Well, as of why you should study programming in general, well, there are three main reasons, and the first reason being programming is rising in popularity. Yeah, a lot of people have been increasingly using programming for computing processes, and the programming industry is being utilized more and more. And therefore, studying programming as of the current moment is very helpful towards one's future options. And also, as of a second reason, the programming industry offers a lot of opportunities. This is kind of similar to the first point, except that now I'm talking about jobs. Yeah, if you're an adult or if you're a child who's looking forward to finding a job in the future, yeah, studying programming will really help. Because more and more people is using programming languages, especially Python, and therefore, if you study programming, it's most likely that you will get a good job that pays you at least a considerable amount of money. And the third point, last but not least, programming is simply interesting and fun. A lot of people enjoy programming. Why, you ask? Because it's a progress of learning more and more fun things. For example, in the next episode, we will talk about how to print hello world in the Python screen. And yeah, a lot of people learn a lot of stuff from programming just like that. In the next episode, when you learn about how to print hello world in the programming screen, you will be happy too, cause you will be able to do something interesting and also semi-manually, also semi-automatically, cause the screen is printing the thing for you. And that happiness gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger within time, because by the end of the day, when you finish this list of videos, when we get to the last episode where I talk about how to make a full-scale application, well, you will learn how to make a full-scale application. And when you learn that skill and possess that skill and make a full-scale application yourself, you'll feel the joy of it, being able to create something that runs on itself. It's a true meaning of life. Well then, why Python? You might say that, okay, I could learn programming because this and that or blah blah blah, but why Python? Well, there are three main reasons why you should learn Python. First being that Python is used often to program applications and useful tools such as YouTube. As we all know, YouTube is a popular site, and believe it or not, YouTube is programmed by Python. And as a matter of fact, Python is actually used to create a lot of apps and tools. And other programming languages may or may not be able to do that. And that's why sometimes using Python is good. If it can create something that's as useful as YouTube, then of course, Python is probably in a way superior to the other programming languages. The second reason why you should use Python is that Python is recently rising in popularity in the programming languages. Before, it was languages such as Java, C++, and things like that, but now Python is rising in popularity. Why? Well, that's our next reason, which is the third reason. Python is easy and simple to learn. Languages such as Java and C++ may be useful, but they're just too complex and hard to understand for most basic programmers. And that's where Python comes into play. Python is as easy and as simple as a piece of cake, some may say. And therefore, Python is the best choice of programming, at least in my opinion. Anyways, that's 6 reasons why you should use programming and Python programming in specific. See you next time!